Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, fourth year students. Today our topic is electric potential energy. You have already know about the electric field, intensity, electrostatic force, and electric field lines. With the help of these, today we discuss the electric potential energy. For this purpose, consider two plates A and B, which are separated by a small distance. On the A plate, negative charge is uniformly distributed, and on B plate, positive charge is uniformly distributed. And the line of forces are from B towards the A, which indicates the direction of the electric field. Now we place the test positive charge Q naught between these two plates. This charge will experience the electrostatic force and move towards the plate A and gains the energy, kinetic energy. In order to move it in opposite direction from plate A to B, the work is needed by some external force. When work is done on it, then it can move from A plate to B, and in this way then its electric potential energy will be increased. Now the potential at the plate B is taken as UB, and potential at the plate A, that is taken at UA. Now the difference of potential energy between these two plates, that is equal to del U, that is equal to UB minus UA. And when the W work is done on this test positive charge, then this W is equal to change of electric potential energy, del U, that is equal to minus W, where minus sign indicates that the force is downward direction, and the displacement is in upward direction. And this is the difference of electric potential energy, which is defined as the amount of work done in moving a unit positive charge from one plate to another plate against the direction of electric field. And if we move the plate A and place it at infinity, then the potential energy at the plate A, that is equal to 0, and then the potential difference is equal to UB minus UA, that is equal to UB, that is equal to minus W, and this is called the electric potential energy. This is the electric potential energy, which is equal to minus W, and the electric potential energy at the plate B, that is defined as amount of work done in moving the unit positive charge from infinity to that plate. And in case of the electric potential energy in terms of the electric field, we put the value of the work done in terms of the electric field. We have the equation, that is UB, that is equal to minus W, and W, that is the work done, and work done always equal to force into displacement. In this case, this force is the electrostatic force, and by putting the value, this becomes equal to UB is equal to F dot dr, and F, that is equal to, in terms of electric field, Q naught E into dr, and this is the electric potential energy at the plate B in terms of the electric field. Now we consider the 2 point charges Q1 and Q2 separated by the distance r, and as we already know that the electrostatic force exists between these 2 point charges, that is equal to F, that is equal to K Q1 Q2 over r square. Now we derive the electric potential energy between these 2 point charges, and for this purpose we write the value of the F in the above equation, and this equation becomes equal to del U, that is equal to UB minus UA, that is equal to minus we take the for the smaller distance, we in the above equation we write that f dot dr, and now we integrate it from the a point to the b point and put the value of the f, and the equation becomes equal to ub minus ua, that is equal to minus integral of a to b f dot dr, and putting the value of the f ub minus ua, that is equal to minus integral a to b k q1 q2 over r square dr, and k q1 q2 are the constants, so this equation becomes ub minus ua is equal to minus k q1 q2 integral of a to b 1 over r square dr, and integrating this, uh, we get we get ub minus ua is equal to minus k q1 q2 1 over r minus 1 over r limits a to b, and after putting the limits, equation becomes ub minus ua is equal to k q1 q2 into 1 over rb minus 1 over ra. Now suppose again we place the point charge q2 at infinity. The point a is taken as infinity. At that time potential at the point a, that is equal to 0, and the 1 over r and the distance ra, that is also infinity, and the reverse and the inverse of infinity, that is equal to 0, and this equation becomes equal to ub minus 0 is equal to k q1 q2 1 over rb minus 0, and ub is equal to k q1 q2 over r square. This is the electric potential energy at the plate at the point b, and generally this can be written as ur, that is equal to k q1 q2 over r, and the electric potential energy is negative if the electric force is attractive. It means the sign of q1 and q2 are opposite. The electric potential energy is positive if the electric force is repulsive, that means similar charges. Consider the 3 point charges which are located at three different positions and forming a triangle. Then these point charges are q1 q2 q3 having the separation r12 r23 and r13. Then the electric potential energy of this system is equal to potential at any point r, that is potential 1 plus potential 2 plus potential 3. Potential energy at the point r, that is equal to potential energy of first point, potential energy at second point, and potential energy at third point, and the total potential energy between these 3 point charges is k q1 q2 over r12 plus k q1 q3 r13 and k q2 r3 r23. And with this topic is ended. I hope you have understand.